Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and today I got an email, and it's a great story, and I wanted to share this story with you because I had put out a video about a week ago, maybe a little bit longer, and it was why quail are so special to me. And I read in between the lines a little bit, and I'm going to cut a little bit this email out, but this was a great reason why just not Coturnix quail, but becoming more self-sufficient and getting involved is so important. And I wanted to share it to see if it would help anybody else, but it definitely inspired and motivated me. So we got an email and it says, I'm writing to first thank you for all your online content. My family and I have watched hours of videos and feel more prepared because of your efforts in spreading the benefits of quail. You should have received an email from all three of my kids with regards to entering the 18 and under contest. When they saw your video about the contest, they were all ecstatic about the opportunity to win and get started right away. One even commented, if we win, we won't have to wait forever for Dad to help build the quail cage. We have just started on this quail journey and started building a cage last weekend. See attached pictures, which I don't have. What started us on this quail journey? In early 2020, as COVID hit, my wife was diagnosed with cancer. She only has 2 more treatments and all signs point to remission. With COVID and cancer, we started to homeschool to protect my wife. That has been an adventure, and we are all learning every day to be better parents and teachers. At the beginning of this month, we were thinking how to more fully engage our kids and excite them about learning. I found a bird guy in the area and thought we could go on a field trip to see his birds: quail, pheasants, chickens, geese, chuckers, etc. We had just hatched quail. He had just hatched quail and let the kids help him move them to the brooder. He also gave them quail eggs. The kids loved the trip. They asked him so many questions. At home, the quail eggs were eaten and the desire to produce more eggs had firmly been planted in my kids. What started as a field trip to get the kids out of the house turned into this month's science curriculum. The kids found your YouTube channel and have learned so much. They want quail and I couldn't say no. So we watched some videos and started building. I was so excited when the 2 oldest spent most of the day Saturday measuring, cutting, and screwing the cages together. It was so satisfying to see them excited about learning. This wasn't another assignment from Mom and Dad for school. This was, as they described it, just having fun. I would love to see them continue with the excitement and learn even more from this. As a kid, I grew up in Wyoming raising sheep. I had never raised birds. I moved my family to the city and live in a neighborhood for a job, but wished I could teach them the responsibility of raising animals and letting them feel the satisfaction of raising their own meat and eggs. I don't know how many times I said, I wish we had more land. Now I know about quail. I don't need land. We can do this in the backyard. The kids are excited to have what I've always called productive pets. They've all already talked to their friends and neighbors about the benefits of quail. I would love to see one of them, or maybe all 3 together, win this generous 18 and under contest. It would speed up the adventures and provide additional ownership for the kids, showing that all the equipment was theirs. We can't wait to have quail to share with friends and neighbors and pass on the benefits of the self-sufficient quail. I think that it was a fantastic letter, and I think that it's an amazing thing to try to help someone change their thought process. Instead of, I can't do this or I wish I could, there's easy ways to start, such as quail. You don't need land. Not only that, but they're coming together. This is a family project, and that is one of the best things that I love about quail. I cannot tell you how many stories I have heard that have brought families together because everybody's interested in it. I have heard numerous times, my kid wouldn't even come out of his room, didn't want to do anything, and now we hatch out, we have this business together, we have this side project together, he takes care of him, this is his thing, and I'm just helping, and we've grown close together. And at the end of the day, when it all is said and done, no matter what happens in this world, no matter what we go through, family is all that's important. And so if we can do something to bring us all a little bit closer together, why not? And I've heard hundreds hundreds of stories just like this. I found it very inspirational and very exciting. It motivated me to try to do better videos and more for you. So I hope that this motivates you. If you've got a story, comment below so people can be impressed and enthused and excited and encouraged about your story as well. And hopefully it will help them on their journey. So I hope you like story time. Until next time, everybody, stay safe.